Good morning from Danang. After the disaster in Dong Hoi, we've got the complete opposite weather now. It's bloody hot. Of course there's someone using an angle grinder in the background. This is Monkey Mountain. I think the Vietnamese name is Son Cha. We've already seen a couple of little monkeys on the way up as well, so it's not just a trap, they are here. We're on our way to see the Lady Buddha. It stands 67 meters tall. I believe it's the tallest statue in Vietnam. Get our first proper look at the Lady Buddha. You might notice the windows on the back, and you can climb it, or at least go up the steps inside. However, only on certain days in the lunar calendar, and today isn't one of them, so we can't do that, but you can just imagine. Now, when I said it's 67 meters high, that is actually just the Lady Buddha herself. Total height of about 100 meters. I'm not sure how it comes across on camera, but it looks like a skyscraper basically. It's very impressive. Well, considering it's called Monkey Mountain, I haven't seen any more monkeys yet, other than the ones sat on the side of the road on the way up. There is lots of dogs though, so maybe they should rename it. That's all from Doggo Mountain, or Monkey Mountain, whichever one it is. I'm going to try and not fall down these steps now, and we'll head on to the next place. Let's go. Unsurprisingly, for somewhere called Marble Mountain, there's plenty of marble workshops at the bottom. The guys stopped using the angle grinder just long enough for me to say something to the camera, so before he starts up again, we'll leave it at that and have a quick look around. The artisanal skill required to sit and do something like that is almost unfathomable to me. I have little to no artistic skills whatsoever. If you gave me a year and some Play-Doh, I probably couldn't do it, let alone chisel it out of a piece of marble, so fair play to the geezers who sit and do this. Okay, after a brief interlude at the old marble workshop, we're at the real thing, Marble Mountains. There's going to be a few steps to climb, so bear with me. Off we go. Now, we were told not to take pictures while we walk because the floors are wet and very slippy. But they never said don't take videos, so let's risk it. The face you make when you step on a piece of Lego. The infamous holy LED lights of Vietnam. It's very crowded descending into hell.
Big numbers going.
What have all these people done? Currently stuck in Satan's traffic jam. Apparently this is the 11th section of hell, which is for betrayers, which is not the same as Pirates of the Caribbean, where the deepest circle of hell is reserved for betrayers and mutiny. If you've ever heard the phrase hot as hell, it's pretty warm in here. We've escaped the Hell Cave, and it is actually called the Hell Cave. I'm not just moaning and calling it that myself. Onward to heaven. There's actually an elevator to heaven. We're going to be brave and take the steps. Let's see what happens. Furby's just pointed out that heaven does have an ATM. Visa and MasterCard accepted. But does it have a half pipe? One look at the steps and I already regret my decision. Let's see if my knee holds out. Heaven also has some unfinished building work. Dad, I might have a bricklaying job for you if you want it. Heaven and a high rise. Just about survived the steps. Through the gate. If you've noticed what looks like a swastika on there, the Nazis stole it from these guys. I think we might be near the top, or at least near the entrance to the cave, the Heaven Cave. As you can tell, I'm a bit out of breath. I didn't count the steps, but I think there might be 6,304,000. Maybe more. Now finally approach the cave. Towards heaven. Not gonna lie, I think it might be easier to just go to hell. Switch to the wide angle to try and give you a better view. It's very crowded in here, and the scent of incense is choking me from the inside, but it's absolutely stunning. Now we got to climb some steps again to get out, and I'm going to switch back to the normal lens before I lose my breath. Let's go. Top, we got some absolutely insane views around us. And guess what's coming next? More steps. If I die and this is my last ever vlog, someone recover the footage and edit it for me. I think we're nearly there. I can see the gift shop. Back to the air conditioning, so I can have a heart attack in slightly cooler temperatures. I arrived in a traditional Vietnamese restaurant. One of the options was frog, and a couple of people have been brave enough to choose it, so we'll see what it looks like. I'm sticking to the vegetarian, thank you.
1, 2, the diary. You can see.
You can eat the bones, you said.
Yes, very soft. Oh,
Oh, wow.
Oh, without head.
I'll take it.
Without head. No head. You can see.
Poor frog.
We're back in Danang city now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a like, it helps more people see it. Subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.